My name is Simon Geddis, and I'm a Service Director in Avondale Foods. The vision for the company is to create a great agri-food company. We specialise in adding value to fresh produce, so potatoes, cabbage, carrots. The products we make range from coleslaw, noodles, stir-fry sauces, deli sides and value-added potato products. Our customer base is the major UK and Irish retailers, so for example Marks & Spencer's, Waitrose, Dunnes Stores, Morrison's, Lidl and Aldi. We currently have 700 employees. We're currently peak trading at the moment. The nominal for the business is about maybe 450 employees. We were using somewhere in the region of 250 cubic metres of water per day. We had the foresight to put in a dissolved air flotation system in order to manage our effluent and to treat the water that's coming out of the site. So we had a great infrastructure. The issue that we had as a business is that our engineers always had other things to do. It's a busy site, it's a growing site, and the effluent treatment system regrettably fell into there's other things to do or more important things to do. So we engaged with Water Tecnik to provide a service solution in order to take that burden off the company. And they done a really good job. They improved the consistency of the plant and they basically took over the management of the system. That allowed our engineers to go back into the factory to make the machines run faster, to improve availability and to carry out the plant maintenance tasks within the site. It's important for two reasons. Reason number one is you're responding to your stakeholder groups, and reason number two is cost. So if we deal with the stakeholders first, you've got your public, you've got your employees, you've got your owners and you've got your customers. Avondale's a premium business. We have blue chip clients that we serve, and their expectation is that we do a good job, not only in terms of the products and services that we deliver, but also on how we treat our people and how we treat our environment. We're taking it out of the environment clean, and we have a responsibility to make sure that goes back into the environment clean. And for that reason, we need to treat it and it needs to be professionally done. The second reason is cost. Water is not free. We have borehole wells, so it's quite cheap to take the water out of the ground, but to dispose of that water safely and to make sure it's clean, there is a treatment phase. You're billed on your level of chemical oxygen demand, so it's in our interest to have that as low as possible. When we started, prior to Water Tecnik being part of our business, our levels were around about 3,000. We've managed to reduce that to about 1,500. We were working with Water Tecnik from 2017, and they've been a blessing. They've been informative, they have been innovative, and they've done a good job for us. I never hear bad reports about the water treatment facility. It runs, it's well managed, it's well maintained, and we can get on with running our food business, and we've handed over the part of our critical infrastructure to the professionals in order to make sure that that is well maintained and it's doing its job and functioning normally. We can lead the business into the future with confidence, and we'll have a partner on board that's actually delivering consistency no matter what we throw at them. Water Tecnik are engaged, they're knowledgeable, and we find they've got a track record of delivering consistently. There's no nonsense. They're honest and transparent, and they deliver you a good solution without giving you stuff that you don't need on the hard sell. It allows us to focus on the business, it allows the engineers to focus on productivity and availability, and to have that level of professional service. It's a real support to our company.